hot water with lemon. These knives are so sharp. I'm scared of cutting myself. But how are you guys doing? I hope you guys enjoyed my last vlog, the one before this. If you haven't watched it, please go back to please pause this one, go and watch the other one and leave a comment on that one, and then come back and continue and watch this one. I'm just gonna make a whole lemon. Why not? How are you guys spending your weekend? I wanna go find a salon and undo these braids. I wanna undo these braids. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Probably I'm gonna wait until I get to Durban to do my hair. Guys, my nail take is closed for December. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to do Christmas nails and she's closed for December. Guys, cry with me. I don't know what to do. And it's only the 5th of December. How am I gonna survive the whole of December with, like, yeah, I don't know what to do, but we'll see. Maybe I can just pop in at sorbet, because there is sorbet here at the mall. Let's drink my hot water with lemon. I'm probably gonna wait for an hour after having this and have something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. I really don't know what I'm gonna eat, but we'll see. Okay, guys. This is my breakfast. I'm gonna eat now. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I got an energy, not flavor. Creamy chicken pizza. Yeah. Let me have some dinner, then I'll catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm back from the salon. I did my hands and my toenails at Sorbet, and then I undid my braids and washed my hair and did wig lines. I'm so glad that I did all of this in one day, because sometimes maintenance takes my 3 days, 2 days. The only thing that is left now is my lashes. I need to do my lashes. Lashes at Sorbet, they're so expensive. They're like 500 rands from 500 rands. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go somewhere else and do lashes. I'm happy with my hands and my toes. So yeah, we will do lashes some other time. I need to take my wig to the salon to get washed. It's Tuesday, 9th of December. Because Christmas is around the corner. It's literally around the corner. I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi loves, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a vlog. You don't miss out. And please like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and please give me red hearts representing my nails. I'm currently outside the mall. I just got myself a smoothie. I didn't want to sit inside because we were rushing somewhere, so yeah, I'm just gonna have this. I've already had breakfast. Now I'm having smoothie with a shot of collagen. You'll know. Oh, when I was doing my nails yesterday, the lady that was doing my nails, she was like, oh my god, you've got such nice strong nails. What do you take? What supplements do you take? I'm like, I only take collagen. Like, oh my word, your nails are so healthy, they're so strong. I mean, I didn't see any improvement as yet from taking my collagen, but other people are seeing the improvement. So I want to see the improvement on my skin. I think that's the problem, because I'm looking at seeing the improvement on my skin. Guys, my eyes, I have a problem with my eyes. I have an issue with my eyes, and it's been persistent for a few days. My eyesight gets blurry, like it gets blurry, but it comes and goes. I don't know what's happening. And I haven't been wearing my glasses for quite some time. I hate wearing glasses, by the way. I do not like wearing glasses, but I should have them on all the time. And I think it's been 3 years of me not wearing my glasses. It's been 3 years. Every time I have to look at something, I have to squint my eyes. Whether I'm reading, whether I'm just looking at something, I have to squint my eyes. And now it's getting worse because my vision is getting blurrier and blurrier. I don't know what to do. Well, I know what to do. I need to go see a doctor and get my glasses and wear my glasses. I can't wear contact lenses also because they irritate my eyes and it's uncomfortable. I guess I'll have to go see a doctor and fix my my blindness issue. Yeah. Hi guys, I have no choice but to go do my lashes at Sorbet. So I made an appointment for 12:15. That's where I'm going to now, because there's no other place that I can do my lashes around here. chicken. I need to go get chicken. Oh, and tissue. I've secured the goods. Going to buy a coffee now. I'm gonna buy it at Mug and Bean though. I'm gonna have Mug and Bean coffee. Oh, I need to buy water as well. I couldn't buy water. I didn't buy water at Tooli's. Nkumbule sengisetilini, so I need to find a place that sells water. Oh, just go inside Checkers and buy water there. Yeah. It's Christmas.